everyone, Jai Shri Krishna. It's like God is trying to tell you something about the situation and you have to pay attention to that. So let's see, Jai Shri Krishna. Let's meditate on the form of the divine and let's channel messages from the divine. God is telling you, you are doing a stupidity by looking at somebody and how somebody treated you and how misbehaved they do, like whatever misbehavior they did to you or whoever that person is, or in the past or in your situation or in your childhood, whatever happened. God is saying you are doing a stupidity by lingering around the situation. There is no such healing left, there is no such inner work left, there is nothing left for you to do. Whatever is meant to be done is to take a leap of faith, jump and just do something which the universe is telling you to do, and that is be courageous enough to speak your truth. Whatever is your truth, just be colorless and be and speak what you want to speak. The card of breathe in reverse, I feel like you have to become extremely honest and blunt with what you know right now is your truth, and you are so honest, you are so truthful right now. Whatever you know is the best thing for yourself, or whatever you know right now is the truth, and you are going to speak that way. Do you know what is the definition of truth? As I understand, Gita says the definition of truth is whatever you feel, however you feel about something, you speak that way. I feel something else and I'm speaking something else because it feels so good to listen, like to impress somebody. That amounts to lying. So God is saying, if you are truthful and if you really want to know truth, then you have to speak that this much I know right now, this is what I feel about something, and that's what I'm saying. So that's what you have to do. Once you start operating from this space, you will feel no clutter is there in your life. There is no filtering that is left. The work is completely done. But don't do it any other way. Do it the way it naturally flows to you. Do it the way it naturally comes to you. Or do it the way something is just so natural to you. Like sometimes when you do a work, it just flows this way. But sometimes you have to make it happen, or sometimes you have to literally make it into something else and then present it to the world. Then that is not right. Then that is not right. So let's see what is the meaning of this sentence. The meaning is, right now what is important in this, what you feel is the most important thing. If you feel there is something which is the most important thing for people around you to understand, or for people to listen and to hear, do that thing. That is the only way to your freedom. And what can be a possibility? The possibility is you are being called to do something which is your natural gift, whether it's about speaking, you can have many gifts and talents. So God is saying, combine all the gift and talent into one package and start doing it from that space. So it's like, if you are good at something, combine 2-3 things together and then do that work. Or you can be like, you have qualities, you have a gift about something, you are gifted in one thing, and something is your life, you are invested your life into something. So there can be two things. Either you are very good at something by practice, or you are being given by the divine, or second thing is you have lived your life that way, that's why you have that wisdom. So these are the two gifts you have. So it's like, use it for the for the greatness or for the greatest purpose. Whatever you feel like is the right way to speak, or it should be spoken like that, then you must. It's about spirituality, God, religion, whatever it is. But I'm mostly feeling like the source where it is coming, and that space where you feel like it is the most appropriate thing to channel or say, then only you should speak. And you should speak the wisdom. Be wise and speak that way.